Hello, good morning. My name is Lance Liam and welcome to Burgos, Pangasinan. Dito ay maganda ang ating tanawin sa Mary Hills. Alright? So, medyo malayo-layo din ito. Pero pag nandyan ka na, Diyos ko, masusurprise ka sa ganda ng ino-offer ng Burgos Beach dyan sa Mary Hills. Alright? Thank you so much and have a nice day. This is Lance Liam and welcome to Travel Tour in Pangasinan. Malinak'y labi, oras lay maraan, mapalpay na'y dagan, katikip, toil